today in this morning. So it's really like fine today. And right now I'm just walking around here, so working something. But I got some time. Then I thought I'll shoot a video. So right now it's morning about 8:30. So yeah, it's okay. But most of the thing right now that I'm like I want to see something. There is like the time which is like a precious thing, and which is like a priceless, which is so you like you cannot define. So it's a valuable thing. So right now, if I will say that I'm making videos for YouTube, sometimes it's like the consistency I'm working. So I was watching a video yesterday. So they were saying that if you make constancy your work, and when you just doing your work and with your constancy, so everything is possible. But if you're on the right track and you are doing the right thing and you know that that is the right thing, even if you are doing like just when you are just thinking you will do today, and then after that like giving for 3 to 4 days and again you will do, then when you just break the consistency, so result is like you can think that you will find something. So yeah, I realize also this, but what I will do, because like lots of work at home, so by selling that, and when I'll be just working on my field, working at home, so at the moment I am unable to go to the tower place for which I like break the consistency, and I couldn't upload anything. So that's the cause. So yeah, I will try again if I'm making the consistency or not. If it's I'm breaking right now, okay, I will try. But what I will do, because now I have lots of work. So yes, I don't wanna make like a freedom work, and I don't wanna say that I have no time. But yes, I will again. I will again upload video, and I will try to make the consistency and like to never break. So yes, I will try again so that I can upload the video every day. But if now I'm breaking it, but okay, I will try to upload. So yes, I'm thinking myself that if I will make the consistency forever and for like every day, then I'll get the result. But the result is breaks that moment when you just break the consistency. So yes, this really thing, and it really matters that yes, I will again wake up and I'll make the consistency. So yeah, it's like that. So guys, like practice your English. As right now I'm speaking about something, but it's not the specific topic about that I'm speaking about something. But the thing is that right now, even I say that I'm practicing my English, yes, I'm practicing my English. So that's it, guys. Whenever you're just thinking you will speak about something, and you're just trying out, so just that is the time that when you can say something, and when you can express your feeling, express your like everything. So yes, just practice your English every day around anywhere. If you're just like feeling like really like confident, then that is the right time to say. So thank you guys, let's practice like this and improve our English fluency and everything, like pronunciation, everything. So yeah, thank you.